recent thing which was propagated by some doctors saying that homeopaths practice allopathy or homeopaths are quacks, which is totally condemnable, because the practitioners in Goa, they have been trained, they have got degrees which have been granted to them by Goa University after going through 4.5 years of training in college, where they are taught all the subjects which MBBS doctors are being taught, like anatomy, physiology, then gynec, obstetrician, surgery, medicine, ENT, ophthalmology, all these subjects. And then they have 1 year training in various hospitals, in various departments. And then they are duly registered with Goa Board of Indian System of Medicine and Homeopathy, which is a government regulatory body. Defaming such doctors is totally condemnable. So we have called this press meet to express our displeasure about such statements given by certain doctors about homeopaths.
Certain doctors are saying that the number of Ayurvedic doctors and homeopathic doctors have increased in the last 10 years. My question to them is, why is that a problem for some doctors if our numbers have increased? I basically feel that since the central government, the Modi government, is giving a push to Ayush in a big way all over India, some doctors are feeling threatened that their monopoly is going to get over and other systems of medicines will come up. That is why they are running this kind of campaign to malign us, to spoil our name, which is totally wrong. There needs to be some amount of respect for your fellow colleagues, which is not happening. We respect you, you respect us. Please do not try to spoil our name. Secondly, there are accusations that the government is promoting us. There are accusations against the government. My question to these people who are opposing it is, why are you opposing it? What is the problem if doctors go to rural areas and reach out to the general public? Allopathics don't want to go, fine. Why are you stopping us? We want to go and propagate our system. There are people who are trying to say that all homeopaths are cross-practicing. Again, this is not something which is correct. They are trying to give examples of people working in hospitals. There are our doctors who are working in hospitals, but they work as clinical assistants. What that means is they are working under consultants. So they take orders from them. How is that illegal? They are examining patients, taking orders. The injections, medicines are given by the nurses. So how is this illegal? If it is illegal, then the action should be taken against the owners. This negative campaign is a disservice, according to me, for the people.